Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to cheat in chess.com. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. So let's say you don't want to put it in the work and just want to know what the best move is, maybe in a daily game against a friend. Well, I will still show you how to do it. Now you have two different methods. The first method is going to be with another side, and the second method is going to be by using an extension. This is just up to personal preference. The side takes 30 seconds to calculate the move and extension is like basically 0 seconds. So I will use the extension if you really like now versus side. So let's say you're in a game and you want to know what move do I need to play. What you need to do is open up a new tab and then search for chess next move. And then you should open up this side right here with the green thing. What you now need to do is you need to copy the layout that you've got right here and then just play the moves how they are played. Let's say who needs to play. It's black to play. And then here click on calculate next move. The problem with this is that as you can see it will take like 10-15 seconds, okay, maybe in this case less seconds to calculate it. Now click on here to show what the move is. You saw it just moved this. So you're going to move to horse right here. Now if you need to do this every time he does something, then it will take a lot of time. So that's why it's not very useful to use. But it can be useful for like the one move where you don't need or don't know what to do. Now the second method with the extension. In this case, we need to go to the Chrome Web Store. Just search for Chrome Web Store in Google. Then click on the web store and here search for Chess Assist. And then I recommend downloading Chess Assist, this one with 50,000 users. Click on Add to Chrome and click on Add Extension. Now go back to your chess and click on the extension icon. Search for Chess Assist and click on the pin. Now click on Assist and it will say waiting for game. Now I need to refresh my page. It's still loading for me, maybe due to poor internet. But when will you open it in your case, it will assist you with the best moves. Something very important to remember is that cheating is not allowed and they will detect if you're cheating. If first of all, you're playing like really bad and then you're playing really good. If there's a very big difference in your skill, they will usually ban you. And this is how you get banned. So what I would recommend doing is avoid cheating, and there should not be big difference in your skill. So that's basically how you can cheat in chess.com. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.